Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can find past usernames that your friends have used on Steam. So for instance, you've played with them before, but you don't know their username now. So you can do this to check. For instance, they have changed it. So go to friends and chat, and you're going to basically right click on the person's name, and you're going to select manage, and you're going to select recent names, and you'll be able to see their past names. Sometimes people don't have a past name, but some people do. So we're just going to select manage and recent names. As you can see, this person has none, and that means they've been having this, they have the same username. They have had the same username in Steam throughout their whole account, so it has not changed at all. So yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for today's tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.